Alright guys, welcome back to another edifying tutorial. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is the voice of Zion Hope Logistics Limited. So here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, drop shipping, and of course how you can make your money online from the comfort of your room. So if you're new here, what you want to do to join our community is to smash that subscription bell, right? Subscribe to our channel so YouTube be able to notify you each time we post any helpful content like this. Also like the video and also share it and also comment, right? So I've recorded tons of videos when it comes to drop shipping, right? So I've recorded how you can create your Shopify store and use your Naira ATM card. As a matter of fact, you can use the card to make payment directly. And I also recorded a video on how you can set up your store directly, right? Which is more interesting. I've compiled all this video. I recorded the video on how you can design your store, how you can also change your currency, everything. I've compiled them on a playlist. So I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section or the description button of this tutorial, so you can just go there, watch it and learn. So in today's tutorial, we all know that the reason why every one of us are going into dropshipping is to do what? To make cool cash online. So now, what's the essence of we creating a Shopify store if we don't have a reliable source of receiving funds from our international transactions or from our international customers and clients? So in today's tutorial, let me quickly share with you how you can add any payment method at all to your Shopify. Maybe PayPal, maybe Payoneer, maybe Stripe, or you want to add paystack, or you want to add any of these payment method or Visa card, right? So how do you do this? The first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify store. Then you can see where we have this settings logo here. Click on the settings icon there, right? Let me just drag this to one side of the screen. So once I do that, then you want to come to settings. Click on your settings icon here. So once you click on your settings icon, you will see where it show you something like this, right? This is what you should see under your settings, right? So you want to come to payment. Well, we have payment here. Click on it. Okay, so once you get to this page, you want to select. Now this is a new store that I created for this tutorial, and as a matter of fact, this has been working perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to be integrating my payment method. So now the first thing here, you can choose different payment method. The first one here says payment provider, so you can click on choose a payment provider. So these are different type of payment provider we have. If you want to use ADN payments for credit card, you want to use direct one pay, you want to use Payoneer checkout native card, you want to use any of these, maybe MasterCard or Stripe. You can see here, this is Stripe. So you can also use Stripe. Now I'm not using any of this. This is what I will do here. Let me just come back. I'm just going to come to where I have add payment method. So I'm going to be adding my payment method using this method. Now, if you search for here, you can see, let me say I want to search for flutterwave, right? Flutterwave. This is flutter, right? And wave. Okay. So you can see it is not here. You cannot search it under here. You want to come to this search by provider. So you can use their name to search it. Now, let me start from flutterwave. You can see here we have flutterwave, and it has shown it as what? African recognized payment. For those of you that want to run advert for what? To cover Africa. So you can see here that flutterwave is widely recognized. Also, you can use paystack. This is paystack. Two of them are also what are widely recognized. Now this one is not limited to Africa alone. You can also use it to receive funds from maybe the first world country like USA, like Germany, like Euro, like France, like Canada, right? And UK. You can use paystack, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you. You can do that in this tutorial. Then you can also use Stripe. Stripe is another payment method. I think that I've shown you the other time. So let's stick around with paystack. So this is paystack here. I'm going to be adding paystack as my mode of payment. You can also use PayPal. All right, it depends on what you want to do. If you want to use PayPal, just search PayPal. You will see it under this place. I think we have some option under the other side. You can use it, but let's stick around. Like I've said, now I'm adding paystack. So I'm going to click on paystack. So you can see here, paystack only charge 2% of the fee that your customer pays you, which I think is awesome. So they accept Visa card, they accept MasterCard, they accept American Express card, they also accept MTN, Momo, and 3 others, right? They also accept M-Pesa, they accept what's it called, Airtel, Togo Money, right? So let's click on it to add this API as a payment method. So here you can see where we have install. So if you want to contact them, there's no need for you to contact them. Just click on install. You want to install the paystack, right? That's the first thing you want to do, because that's what we are initiating and what we are adding to our Shopify store to receive payment. So I'm just going to click on install here. I'm not going to be reading their policy. It's going to take time. You can just read that on your own to know more about their policies and how they work, right? So that having been said, it's going to take you to this payment gateway. This is where you want to add your API keys. Now, what are API keys? API keys are the keys that are secretly added to your paystack account. So you can see here, this is my paystack account, and you can see what I've been able to generate with my paystack account, over 1,384,000 naira. So once you log into your paystack account, you want to come, I think it's very straightforward to record or to get a paystack account. Is very straightforward, right? So once you just log into your paystack account, you want to come to settings here. So under your settings, you should have this. So what you do here is to come to where you have API keys and webhooks. Just click on it, right? So this is where you can easily get your API keys directly. So you can see here we have the secret key here, we have public live key here, right? So you want to come back to paystack, you can see they said live secret key. So now let's first start from there. They said this is live secret key. Just copy it, just one click like this, copy it, come back to your paystack, then you want to firstly paste it, right? Let me see if I can paste it because of my time. Let me see, right? So let me open this guy. I'm going to blur it. Let me input my information here. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue so it can show me my API keys, so I can definitely copy it directly. So this is my API key, my API secret key. So I've copied it, come to my paystack, then come to my shop paystack link, then I'm going to paste it here. So the second one is live public key. So you want to look for live public key. This is live public key. Now it's different from this first one. This is live secret key. Now this is live public key. So you want to also do what? Copy it again, go to your Shopify and paste it here. Okay, so once you paste it here, now we now have test secret key again. These are different keys, so you don't want to do a mistake. Test secret key, come back here, look for what we call test secret key. Just scroll down, you will see it under here. These are test secret keys. You can see it here. They said these keys are for testing only. So let me click on view. So I'm just going to copy this link here, go to this guy here. There's no need, or what do you even think? I don't want anybody to test my this thing. So what I'll just do is just to save. Let me click on save, because if you input this key now, they can be test running their payment if it is going to work or not. So we are serious, we are here to do business, so I don't want to input this test secret key. So I'm just going to click on save. So you can see here it says configuration successful, your settings has been saved successfully. So let me click on proceed now to the dashboard of paystack and see if our API keys has been added successfully or not. Now this takes me directly back to my account, so I'm just going to go back to paystack and I'm going to go to Shopify. Let me go back to my Shopify dashboard and come back to payment, and let's see if the payment has been added. So guys, please, I need to refresh this page. let me refresh this page. If you've gained value so far in watching if you've gained value in watching this very tutorial so far, please kindly give us a thumbs up, like it, and also do what, comment. So I think let me see add payment method. It should be okay. Maybe it was simply because I forgot to add this guy here. Let me try to add them again, right? Let me try to add them again. It should save successfully. It should save successfully. So what I would just do now is to automatically add my key again. I think it has been added. This add okay. I haven't activated it. I'm sorry. So I need to activate it. I don't want to turn on this test mode. Do you understand? So I'm just going to click on activate. So once I click on activate now, you can see now paystack has already been activated on this account. So how do you know if paystack has already been activated? Just cancel this guy here. So it's going to refresh and takes you back to your home. Go back to your payment to be sure if it is successful or not. You need to be sure, right? So you want to come to your settings, click on the settings, go back to payment where we'll have payment. You need to be sure if the payment has been provided. So you can see here on our store, paystack is fully active now. So if anybody is to go to our store and want to buy anything at all, it can definitely make the purchase directly without any hassle with paystack. Just 2% charge, right? So in my next tutorial now, we're also going to be looking at how you can add a product to your page. So I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can design your store link. I've already recorded that video, so you can also take your time to watch. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching with me, learning with me to this present moment. I hope you find this video very wholesome, useful, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will definitely see you around in my next tutorial. Peace out.